Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this fantastic Rifter in the Allure specification. So this vehicle has 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. The car also features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. It has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 16,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare. Thank you.